Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're looking at what we think is the best window tint film roll adhesive available on Amazon, the Lmlpt one-way window privacy film in Magic Black. This product is a game changer if you're looking to upgrade your home's privacy and energy efficiency without breaking the bank. It's sleek, practical, and incredibly easy to install. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, you're greeted with a tightly wound roll of high-quality vinyl film. This particular variant is 15.75 inches wide and stretches 9.84 feet long, which is perfect for standard-sized windows, sliding doors, or even smaller glass panels around the house. The color is called Magic Black, and trust me, it lives up to the name. Installation is a breeze thanks to its peel and stick design. It comes with adhesive already applied to the back, but don't forget, Lmlpt recommends spraying both the adhesive side and your window with a generous amount of soap and water mixture. This gives you the flexibility to reposition the film and ensures a firm, bubble-free seal once it's in place. Once installed, the results are instant. From the inside, you maintain clear visibility out. But from the outside, especially during the day, the window transforms into a mirror, offering you complete daytime privacy without needing to draw the blinds. Do note, however, that the mirror effect fades at night. So, if your lights are on indoors and it's dark outside, people might be able to see in. The manufacturer suggests drawing your curtains at night for complete privacy. Here's where it gets even better. This film blocks up to 96% of UV rays and 85% of infrared rays. That means it's not just about privacy, it's also about protection. Your furniture, floors, and art pieces stay safe from sun damage, and you'll notice improved indoor temperature regulation. It keeps heat out during summer and helps retain warmth in winter. That's a major bonus when it comes to reducing energy bills. The film isn't limited to just home use. It's versatile enough for offices, commercial spaces, and even enclosed porches. And because it has an anti-scuff layer on the surface, it can withstand some wear and tear, making it a durable solution for high-traffic areas. The Lmlpt one-way window privacy film is affordable, easy to apply, and offers multi-functional benefits that go beyond just privacy. It enhances aesthetics, protects your interiors, and helps you save on energy. That's a solid win in our book. If you're considering a window film solution, this one should be at the top of your list. You can find it in various sizes to fit your specific needs, and for the price, it's hard to beat the value it delivers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a smart shopping review. See you in the next one.